What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage. Today we are going to be filming Igor's, the S2002 build, so let's get into it. We'll jump right into the B-roll. Check it out. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of B-roll. We're gonna get a couple, just audio clips. We'll get a couple rollers. I'll just be on the skateboard right here and get some roller shots. So let's see how that sounds. I hope you enjoyed that little B-roll, that little behind-the-scenes shoot of the S2002. That thing is super sick. It has a S2000 engine swapped into it, which is awesome. They'd used the S2000 gauge cluster and everything. The thing looks really, really nice. I love the way it turned out. So anyways, guys, we'll talk to you soon. Later, and wrench on.